Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher. So, we have a fitting room try on haul here at Target. For the plus size girlies, I am trying on everything in a size extra large. We on my channel appreciate everybody at every stage. It doesn't matter if you are natural, plastic surgery, just had a baby, on a weight loss journey. It doesn't matter. I just want you to learn to love and respect your body at every stage. So, boom, let's get into it. I am at Target to get medicine. I do not know how I ended up in the dressing room, but I was walking down the aisle and I saw that they had this cute little champion collection at Target. And I said, "Ooh, this is cute. I'm on a weight loss journey. It's never a bad idea to try out workout clothes." So I got this little set, this little blue, and it is a sports bra and it does say fitted. And I'm like, okay, fitted, but woo, it is tight. If you are a bigger chested girly, I would suggest going up a size because it is going to hold you in. Whether it is your normal size or up a size, it's still going to hold you in. It does not have any padding, and you will see me bounce and move around, and boom, we are good. Now, let's try on the shorts. These shorts were cute, kind of soft on the inside, but not too soft. That's my only complaint with this Champion collection here at Target is that it's not soft. I tried on, I believe, Reebok at Walmart, and that Reebok collection, it was like really fleece, soft, good material. It felt good on my skin. But these shorts covered up everything. I love it. I am bending over, stretching, moving. If you do get this and you're a tall girly like me at 5'8", I think that's tall. Is that tall? I think so. If you are a tall girly like me, these are going to be a good fit. You can work out, be comfortable, and feel confident. Let me know in the comments what you think of these shorts. Do you like this color? And they had multiple colors. They had red, white. I believe they had like a light blue. They had a lot of colors, a lot of colors. So I tried to get the different colors that they had in each little outfit just to check it out. And the pricing is not that bad. But because the material is not that soft, I was like, do I really want this? Because again, I was in Target to get medicine. You know when your throat start to feel a little scratchy, you sneezing a little too much? Yeah, that's going on with me. I don't know if the change in the seasons is going on, but yeah, I was not feeling 100% myself. So I had to get some medicine to nip this little cold in the bud. So let's try on the next outfit, which I had the most difficult time with. This little shirt is really cute, and they even had matching jackets to go with it. But guys, my glam crew, I could not get this unbuttoned at all. Like at all. I even asked the lady in the dressing room to help me, and she was kind of like fussing with it, and I was like, you know what? I don't even think that's the right size and it's not the color that I want. So I just like told her, never mind. But I don't know if the buttons actually come loose on that, but they were tight. And I struggled, and the worker in the dressing room struggled as well trying to unbutton it. And as usual, in all my try on hauls, I will show you all the tag so you can see the pricing and the name of the item so that you can easily shop online or find it in the store. So this little skirt is a beautiful dark burgundy color, a beautiful great fall color, but look at the struggle. It was not going up at all. This skirt had no stretch to it. None of this stuff had much stretch, but this one had no stretch. So just know you may need to go up a size or two. And especially if you want to be comfortable, if you have thicker thighs, you don't want to be chafing, wearing some tight material. And this material was kind of rough on the skirt, but it looked really cute on the mannequin. I honestly don't believe this collection is too plus size friendly. And the biggest size that I seen was 2X maybe. I believe, yeah. I believe I saw 2X. So if you are a little bigger, you might have to check online. Now, let's get into this red outfit. And I will say, this outfit was the most comfortable one that I did try on. This little crop top is looking really nice. It has a lot of space in the arms. It's long in the back and not long in the front, but cropped just right to where it doesn't feel like the shirt is too little. I love this shirt. And honestly, y'all, I think I saw this shirt at Ross. You know, when you go to Ross, this same shirt will be like $9.99. So definitely check out your local Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx. They may have the same Champion collection in store at a huge discounted price. Okay? Don't forget that Nikki the Glam Teacher is a budget shopper, budget traveler. So when I can find deals, I share them and I love them. Now, see what I don't like about these pants? They low-key give high water vibes. I feel like when I put my shoes on, they're gonna be a little bit but I don't think it'll be that bad. But let me know in the comments how you think these pants fit. Do you think they are tall girl friendly? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, let me know. Hey. I love dancing in the mirror, y'all, just to make sure what I am buying is fitting properly on me because I hate going back and forth to the store, standing in long lines. But yeah, they fit good on the waist. They are covering the bum. Not much stretch in the hips. So these, I think they're a decent fit. And now that I'm looking in the mirror, they're not that bad of high water. So yeah, I don't know why initially I just didn't like these and thought, not tall girl friendly, but I guess they are okay. Let me know what you all think in the comments. Okay, and y'all, excuse my hair and my hat, and I think y'all might have seen my ashy elbows. I literally hopped out of the bed, got in the shower, and threw on whatever. I was like, let's go to Target. I need some medicine. That was the closest thing to me. And yeah, I didn't put on no lotion, didn't brush my hair or nothing. Literally threw on a hat and was in the car. Let's go ahead and try on the next outfit. I am not sure what all I picked up or how many outfits I did in this haul, but I went through these clothes pretty quick because I was not really officially liking the outfits. Now, my last haul, there was so much stuff that I got, so I had to really take my time and decide what do I want to purchase and what we leaving at the store. Right there is the information so you know how much you're going to be spending, what size to get. I am 230 pounds. I am 5'8". My bra is a 36 double D. My waist is 34 inches. And my hips are 50 inches, I believe. Yeah, 50. But as always, check the description box. I keep that updated. Now, these bubblegum, no, Pepto-Bismol. Nah, these aren't really Pepto-Bismol because these look a little ashy. Don't they look just a little bit ashy, or what is it, washed? Like the color doesn't, it's not bold. And I like bold colors. So if they were going to just throw out some ashy, this not even ashy fall colors. And they supposed to be like those little ankles. I call myself doing the Cupid shuffle. I was imagining I was on a cruise and was out there on the Lido deck, Cupid shuffling. Not in these pants, because I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they high waters or if they capris, but they were not comfortable. And it was just like rubbing on my skin, kind of roughish. Like, I don't know what material is in this, but I did not like this Champion collection. It just did not feel good on my skin. It didn't feel good. And it's just ashy. Anyhow, let's keep it moving. I do like the design on the hoodie, and the hoodie is long. So if you are out bending over doing like yard work, or let's say you got a t-shirt underneath and you just want to be extra covered up. So like if you're moving and let's say the cold air gets you, the cold air is not going to get you. Everything is going to be secured in and you're going to be warm. And that's another thing. This, it's not thin, but it's not warm, and it is not soft. But I mean, if you just want like a matching Champion outfit, then there you go. Nevertheless, it does have a big large pocket in the front if you want to put your phone or keys in it. And again, the design is cute. The drawstring on the hoodie is a nice little feature. They did have this same little outfit without a hoodie. So if you're not a hoodie type of person, then there you go. And it did have a lot of colors. So there was like a gray, a red, a light blue, dark blue. I'm going to insert somewhere in here and show you all of the colors and selections of stuff that they had. So you will see everything that they offered in the store. And every location is going to have different things. So you might have to go to a couple of different stores or just shop online. I am usually a online shopper, but because my sizing has changed recently, I'm like, I need to go in the store and try stuff on and see what fits me best or not. But again, y'all, I came for medicine. So thank you for watching. I'm going to get some rest and try to beat this cold that is creeping up on me. Bye and subscribe.